When we're finding a specified term of geometric sequence, we're given the common ratio and the first term. We use a sub n, where n is the nth term that you're trying to find. So in this case, n would be 10. It's the first term times the common ratio raised to the n minus 1. So we want the 10th term. We're going to take 7. Our common ratio is 3/2, and we're going to raise it to the 9th power. Since n is 10, we do 10 minus 1, which is 9. We could use the calculator. We'll get a decimal, and every time I put a decimal in, it tells me it can be simplified, but they give it to me as correct, so I don't really care. I would put the decimal in, and we raise it, which is x to the y power, which is 9, equals, they'll give us this decimal. So I would do 269. I'm just going to type the whole thing in. 10351 563. Boom. And they'll tell me it's correct, but you can simplify it, which I don't care, as long as it's correct. Okay, so now we're finding the 8th term. So our n is 8, first term is 4. We do 1/2 raised to the 7th power. P.S. Please subscribe to my channel, like any videos that are helpful, and let me know in the comments if this has been helpful to you. So 1 divided by 2, come to the outside of that fraction, close your parentheses, do x to the y power, put 7 in, equals, type in that decimal, 0.03125, check. Again, it's correct, can be simplified, but who really cares? Okay, so we're gonna do the 9th term. So we have a sub 9 equals the first term 4. The ratio is 3/2. 9 minus 1 is 8. So we plug that in to our calculator. We have 4 parentheses 3/2. Come outside the 3/2 and parentheses x to the y power, and we're using 8. Type in that decimal, 102.515625. Then that's the end of the lesson.